My husband and I were sleeping quietly when we felt the earth moving and heard a terrifying explosion, so we got up and rushed out of the house right away. It was like an earthquake. The accident probably resulted from a spontaneous detonation of a small bomb which was buried about 3.5 meters underground. Fragments from the explosion were absorbed by the earth and luckily hit no one. However, the shock severely damaged the house, cracking the floor and walls and collapsing roof tiles, making the residence uninhabitable. Community leaders said ongoing efforts must continue to locate and identify sites where thousands of UXO remain and safely remove and destroy the ordnance before they explode without warning.